Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to be showing you guys how I transformed this model. So you can see her before and after. So let's just go straight to the video. So here I was done with prepping her skin. I had to give the hairstylist a chance to install the hair, and then we continued the struggle between makeup artist and hairstylist. You shall see in this video. So here I'm basically buffing in the foundation. The foundation that I use in this video is Toffee, Hudabeauty in the shade Toffee. Yeah, and I'm using this color box foundation brush to just buff that in. Then I went ahead to using the beauty blender to just press everything in. Using a beauty sponge to further blend your foundation is a game changer. If you've not been doing this, you should try it. Like, you see the difference. Like, it just it's there's a huge difference. So after that, I went ahead to conceal her under eye. You can see the eye bag. So the concealer that I use in this video is the acoin, but I can't remember the shade. I'm going to list that in the description box. So I just apply a little bit of that and went ahead to blend it with a beauty sponge. So, guys, the struggle is real. So I went ahead to apply the TM Essential Cream Blush. I can't remember the shade. I'll still drop that in the description bar. So I just had to do that while I wait for the hairstylist to just finish up before I blend under the eyeball. She was still working and I just can't wait for her. So if you find yourself in this kind of situation, make sure you just hold the client's head so you can walk without struggling too much. So yeah, I went ahead to blend the concealer under the eye. The method is just press in and blend out, press in, blend out, press in, blend out. Don't press too hard so you don't take out the concealer. So be easy with your blending, like I'm doing here. So after blending the concealer, I went ahead to set the concealer with a certain powder, and the powder that I use in this video is from Merak Cosmetics. This one is in the shade Ginger. So what I am doing here, I'm basically taking the powder from the cup and pressing the excess on my palm, then before I proceed to setting the clients the models under eye. So it's just I'm just building up. So don't take too much and just go straight to the eye. Just take out the excess and set. So now I am setting her contour using the MAC mineralized powder. I'm also going to drop that in the description box. I'm sorry guys, you can see the struggle, so I was unable to show you guys the product while I was working. Okay, so I'm still using the same powder to contour her nose. As you can see, I'm holding her head because I want it to be steady. So I'm using the same powder to contour her nose, and this is how I contour my nose, straight from the eyebrow down to the nose bridge. And that's it. Blend, blend, and blend. Oh, hairstylist, please, I am sorry if I offended you before. So yeah, that's it. So after the nose contour, I went ahead to apply blush, and this blush I'm using, I mixed the two shade that is in the Nubanbeauty and Nubanbeauty eyeshadow and blush palette. I mixed the orange and the pink together just to get this shade. And that's it. I'm applying powder all over her face. I just did that now. And the powder that I use is the Milani powder, the shade 108. And I also mixed it with the V-Beauty. There's a yellow shade in V-Beauty palette, just to get her shade. And that's it. So now I just did the reverse contour around the nose and apply some powder underneath the eyes to catch fallout. But so I did the eyebrows off camera. I'm going to link the video of how I do my eyebrows in the description box. I'm sorry guys. So now I'm applying benign clown a base, that's eyeshadow base, and I'm just basically blending it out. So we're going to start with a cool eye, like nude eye, before we start building up. That's the brief, because the shoot is for hairs, like hair campaign shoot. So the model is going to wear more than 5 hairs. So my client says she wants like different eye color, so we're going to build it up as we go. So first of all, I'm going to be applying this pink shade. This is a nude light pink. I don't know. Not good with colors. So I'm just going to apply that all over, then apply like a beige. It's not white. It's like I don't know, but you guys can see the color. I'm just blending the two colors together, just to have like a very light pink. I don't want to use the pink alone. I don't want to use the beige alone, so I had to mix the two together just to get this color. So now I'm applying a very light brown shade, as my transition, and also blend that into the first color I just applied, so we can have like an even look. You can see in the video that it's coming together what I'm trying to explain to you. So yeah, I was done with those two colors, but it was too bare, and I decided to add a dark brown, just to give the eye a definition, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'm just doing that, using a soft hand to blend, not too harsh. So yeah, that's it. And this brush I'm using is really nice. This one is the Morphe eye brush, something like that. Really, really nice. So after blending the dark brown shade, I went ahead to smudge under the eye with the same brown that I just used now on the corner of the eyes. So yeah, I went ahead to buff out the setting powder so we can move further. So after buffing out the fallout and the setting powder, I went ahead to line her eyes using the Mabrok liner. But she said her eyes are sensitive, so I had to turn off the light so we can work on her eyes, you guys. So yeah, that's why I also went ahead to line her tight lines. Guess what? She likes her eyeshadow.
This eyeshadow is so cute.
So I went ahead to apply some mascara on her lashes, and this one is from Zaron Cosmetics. And after that, I went ahead to clean her lips so that I can work on them. Yeah, so this one is my is it go-to lip. I don't know how to say it, but I'm always doing this lip here on my channel, even on Instagram. You guys see this all the time, so I really did not do too much here, but let me just show you guys small process of how I achieved this beautiful lippy. So you guys know I like to overline, not go overboard, like slightly above the natural lip line, but I honestly love doing lips now, you guys. Like, it makes me happy when I'm able to blend it properly. So now I went back to the eyes. I cleaned it first and I lined it with a pencil, a black pencil. Then I smudged it out. One of our eyes so sensitive, and we had to take out the lashes, allow the eyes settle first before I fix it back. So here I was done with the makeup. You guys, can you see how beautiful it's looking? So I applied some highlighter on her nose and her cheeks, and you guys see the look now. And I went ahead to apply some highlighting balm so to give us the extra glow. To be honest, this is looking really beautiful, I wouldn't lie. And I had to turn up the light again so I can apply mascara on her bottom lashes, and I'm still using the same mascara from Zaron. Take a look. Take a look at the eye. Everything is just so well put together, like seamless. And if you follow me on my channel, you guys, you know that I always go back to touch my makeup. I touch my nose contour, I apply gloss, I make sure everything is fresh again. So I went ahead to seal the makeup using the Pro Seal It. I almost choked the model. So yeah, that is the finished look, you guys. This model is so beautiful, and she knows her angle. You can see she knows her angle. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this makeup. Thank you guys for watching to this point, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until I see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.